Like and subscribe to the channel and you'll have good luck for 50 years. Yeah.
How to fix your GoPro if it's broken, the part that you put the tripod on, which is this part.
Right. So what happened? Move it up. What happened? This little brass thread came out and the GoPro fell on the ground. So with just my set of pincers and a piece of scrap plastic, I'm going to fix this. So first thing I'm going to do is head over to the stove. Head over to the stove. Alright, I'm going to heat this up. Get this well hot. Do you reckon it's well hot yet?
Yeah!
Do you reckon I should test it on AJ the Concreter's arm?
You mean alpha blazing?
No, that's hot enough. Let's go over here. Let's get our scrap of plastic. And as you can see, I've melted that back in with a little bit of extra plastic to fill the gap, and hopefully we can now go and shoot a video.
And the new video that I will be shooting is I'm gonna be doing some more Roblox videos on my channel, so
Alright.
like and subscribe. This is a different type of video today. See ya.